Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to use AI Mermaid filter on TikTok, or how you can get the recent Mermaid filter that is already viral. So let's head over to our TikTok application for that. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in to your desired account. And then what you have to do is just to head over to the plus icon on the bottom. And here you will find lots of options for your effects. So just scroll to the right and go to view all effects. Now here you will find some trending effects in here. You can find that mermaid filter in here, but if you can't find it in here, just head over to the search icon. And here tap on the search bar and search for AI mermaid. So as you can see, already 10.5 million videos have been made with this um, AI filter. So just tap on AI mermaid. And as you can see, this filter is this one. So let's select this filter. And now what you need to do is just to head over to your phone's gallery and choose any picture, and then it will just turn your picture to your mermaid filter. So what you need to do is just to select any picture from your gallery by tapping on this option. So you can also save this filter by tapping on save. And so yeah, this is how you can just use AI mermaid filter on TikTok. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.